Your Shark Matrix self-emptying robot vacuum needs one thing to work its best: to be clean. Let's clean your robot vacuum step by step and get it running like new in just a few minutes. Always power off your robot before maintenance by holding the dock button for 5 to 7 seconds. Flip it over to remove the brush roll, clean out hair or debris, and check the end caps before reattaching. Clean the side brush by pulling it off, removing dust or hair, then snapping it back in place. Wipe cliff sensors, charging contacts, and clean the dustbin and filter with a cloth or compressed air. Keep the dock working properly by wiping the charging contacts with a dry cloth. Empty the self-empty dustbin when full by pressing the release button and tapping it over a trash can. It's recommended to clean this dustbin once a month to ensure smooth performance. The base has 2 filters, post-motor and pre-motor. Remove them, tap out dust, and rinse with cold water only, never use soap. Let them fully air dry before reinstalling. Cleaning these filters monthly keeps suction strong and your robot running efficiently. That's all it takes to install your Shark Matrix self-emptying robot vacuum. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.